cure diseases, but only doctors can cure patients. National Doctors' Day is held on 1st July every year. It is that time of the year to celebrate the real heroes out there who fight for the long war against coronavirus for our safety at the cost of their own lives. With the coronavirus pandemic looming over our day-to-day life, the significance of National Doctors' Day 2021 has increased to tenfold. Last year, the theme was Lessen the Mortality of COVID-19. Today, more than ever, it is important for people to realize the sacrifice that the medical team made for us, day in and day out. Doctors are one of the most inspiring figures of the society, and their efforts should be celebrated every day. Medicine is one of the most challenging yet rewarding fields a student can enter. Developing the skills and knowledge to practice medicine require a great deal of time and effort. After plus 2, those who wish to pursue a career in medicine must go through a common entrance examination by which you will be selected to a medical college to do the MBBS course. After MBBS, you can pursue a master course to specialize in any medical field. Let us take this opportunity to appreciate their efforts and recognize all the doctors near and far. Your dedication and compassion for serving and curing people is what makes the world a better place. Doctors are the boon directly sent by the God for us. Salute to all the heroic job you do. Never stop. One day you will be someone's hope, someone's hero. Today I am introducing all the heroes of Vimla Hridaya ISC School.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arathi Franklin. I am a dentist by profession. I am a former student of Vimla Hridaya ICSE School. Our batch was the first ISC batch of our school. As an ISC student, studying syllabus in advance compared to other boards helped me in my academics during my entire BDS course. I thank all my teaching and non-teaching staffs for molding and guiding us in the way we are now. Thank you.
Hi all, myself Dr. Meenakshi KR. I am thankful for giving me such an opportunity and it's a privilege to introduce myself before you. I am a homeopathic doctor, graduated from Adrasmam Homeopathic Medical College, Kottayam, currently working in Holy Homeo Clinic, Kolaytodi, Kollam. I am very happy and proud to see that I am a Vimlite. Yes, I am a Vimlite. I did my schooling in Vimla Hridaya ISC School from standard 1 to plus 2. Our school is always something that carries all our childhood memories, right? Our school has done much in bringing me to this position. It's from our school I learned time management and self-acknowledgement. My juniors, I want to tell you that you aspire and try to become what you like to be. Be happy with what you become. Then you will be successful. And for those budding doctors over there, let me tell you, yes, you must be passionate.
Hi everybody, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Suraj Sudhir. I have completed my MBBS and currently preparing for my PG entrance exams. I was really happy when I got a call a couple of days back. It was Smita madam. She was my class teacher back then. Talking about my school life, I'm a part of Vimla Hridaya family. I got out of the school in the year 2012. I had a really good time in the school with just 30 students in a class and 6 boys among them, and I was privileged to be the only boy in the biology class, and the amount of attention and care that I got from my teachers, I must be thankful to them. I cannot forget Mari madam and Smita madam for that matter. We also had a good set of teachers. I cannot forget Julian sir, PV sir, Lata ma'am, Sundha ma'am, Finlay ma'am, Nasruddin sir, Simi ma'am, and many more. It was really nice to be there. And for those of you who are planning to be in this medical fraternity or any department for that matter, do believe in yourself and have the courage and faith and work for that, okay? And you will definitely reach your goal one day. And I also pray that the current pandemic of COVID gets over soon, so that you won't lose your precious school days, because that's going to stay with us lifelong, and those school days are the most colorful days in our life, and I wish everyone good luck. Thank you.
Happy Doctors Day. I'm Alora, Dr. Alora, dentist ആണ്. എൻ്റെ സ്കൂളിംഗ് അതായത് എൻ്റെ സ്കൂളാണ് നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത്, അതായത് നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂള് വിമലഹൃദയ. അവിടെ നിന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് ഈ ഒരു ഡോക്ടർ ആവണം എന്നുള്ളൊരു ആഗ്രഹം മനസ്സിൽ കിട്ടിയത്. ആ ഒരു ആഗ്രഹത്തിൻ്റെ പുറത്ത് ആ ഒരു വേയിൽ ഞാൻ സഞ്ചരിച്ചാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഈ ഒരു പൊസിഷനിൽ ഇരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. അതിനുവേണ്ടി എന്നെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്ത എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, ബാക്കിയുള്ള സ്റ്റാഫ്സ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞാൻ നന്ദി പറയുന്ന ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ. പ്ലസ് ബെസ്റ്റ് വിഷസ് ടു മൈ യങ്ങർ brothers and sisters. Happy Doctors Day again. Take care.
Hi, dear Wimlites. Myself, Ammu Santosh, final year MBBS student in Government Medical College, Kollam. It was long been my aim to become a doctor since childhood, as I love to serve the humanity. It is my alma mater, Vimla Hridaya ISC School, which played a vital role to lead me to this success. My school is my second home, which nurtured me to gain the strength and knowledge which made me what I am today. I sincerely thank all the teaching and non-teaching staffs who guided me to enlighten my life. I am very glad to share my experience of my school with all of you on this auspicious day.
Hello everyone, I'm Malavika Prasad, an alumna of 2017 batch of Vimalahardiya ISC, currently doing my third year in MBBS. I'm very delighted to have got this opportunity to share a few words with all of you. On the occasion of National Doctors Day, let's take a moment to commemorate and pay respect to the contributions made by all the doctors and other medical professionals who have been working tirelessly during this pandemic. It's worthwhile mentioning about the guidance and support given by my school and especially my teachers who have played a great role in shaping my personality and career in medicine. More than a profession, being a doctor is a great responsibility. So if any of you are planning to opt medicine as your career, it's really important to know that what really matters are selfless service and dedication towards the society. So I would like to conclude my words by saying that dream big to achieve bigger. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Happy Doctors Day. Let me introduce myself. I am Deshma, a former student of this wonderful school, and currently I am doing my UG as a BDS student in Assisi Dental College. First of all, I would like to thank my wonderful school, my teachers, staff, my colleagues, and everyone for their love, support and care, without which I may not have succeeded in pursuing my dreams. And I'm so grateful to all the efforts they put in to mold each one of us to achieve a good, successful and promising career. And I'm so proud to be a Vimalite. Now, my dear friends, being a budding doctor, I would like to share a few things with you on this very special day. We all know in this COVID pandemic how much our doctors suffered. Pains, efforts, struggles, and moreover the sacrifices they made to protect our lives. And today is a reminder for every one of us to take some time out into appreciating the doctors who put in all their lives into offering service to others.
Hi everyone, I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm a first year medical student in Government Medical College, Tirunelveli. As you all know, today is Doctors Day. According to WHO, for every 1,000 people, one doctor is necessary to maintain public health. But in India, the situation is one doctor for 1,456 people. So, and as you all know, in the new COVID-19 situation, this has gotten worse. So, everybody out there who is really passionate about this profession, just go for it. Thank you and happy Doctors Day.
I'm Extra. I'm a first year MBBS student of Amla Institute of Medical Sciences, Thrissur. Doctors around the world are treated as gods, or at least we are conditioned to treat them as God. But in reality, doctors are just human beings who believe in science. And trust me, science is not magic. Keeping that in mind, let's treat our doctors with kindness and